Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can add PayPal to Prizepicks. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, it's very easy actually. You don't have to go through an extra setting to add, because Prizepicks already gives you service for that. So all you gotta do is go ahead, open your app, sign in, and then go ahead, navigate to the Prizepicks deposit page, and simply over there click on the PayPal tab, because it will be available over there. You have to make sure that you already have funds in your PayPal account balance, so the deposit can be instant. Next step is simply depositing a selected amount. You can manually add, or you can select the amount and then go ahead, confirm the transaction, and that's how easily you will be able to use PayPal, since it's one of the depositing method in Prizepicks itself. You don't have to add it. You can also tap on this highlighted Prizepicks deposit page to have a more depth in that particular page right over here. That will simply require you to access your account. Simply access, check out the page, and start the deposit. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.